What's up, everybody? We are bowling the city tournament today. Hopefully we're gonna bowl well. We are bowling 3 games on a team with Justin Romick, Jared Romick, and Colton. And then on the second team, we're bowling with Brent, Madison, and Francois. So 2 different 3-game sets. You can enter as many team squads as you want. I'm entering 2 with, groups of my friends. So hopefully we bowl well today, but regardless, we're gonna have some fun. And hopefully, for your guys' sake, we throw a few strikes. No, you're good.
It is a red ticket.
Hey now. Well, I just got done bowling the first set with Jared, Justin Romick, and Colton, my buddy. And now got a little food, rendezvous back, and now Madison, myself, Francois, and Brent are gonna bowl together for set number 2. Set number 1, pretty tough start, trying to figure it out. Usually the weak balls look really good for me here. So I tried to throw those to start, shot 204, and then I went back to the NV Tour, which I thought looked good in practice, shot 290, then 279. So we're gonna throw the NV Tour next set, probably. But until then, Panda Express. Madison said she wanted to make a bet. So the deal's gonna be, we're gonna go to Sonic afterwards to get a slushie, a little treat ourselves. The loser is gonna have to pay. So I'm gonna give Madison her handicap.
80 pence a game.
It's not 80 pence a game, it's like 10.
I say, let's just give me a little extra left.
We'll give her the difference in averages. Instead of giving the handicap, we'll give her the difference in averages. Loser pays. Because I average above 230. I average above 230, so I'll be giving you a little more.
Well, I average like 205.
Yeah, so I'll give you like 35 pence a game. We got a bet. Let's go. I need a new one. Yeah. Shoot. Yo, hey now. Thank you. That kid's pumped. Chicken bacon ranch. Pretty good. Hey now. It should be the opposite, but I love it. Oh, I wish.
I won the challenge.
How many pins did you get?
I got 80 a game.
What?
I told you.
Babe. Looks like I'm paying for Sonic. What are we getting?
Whoop.
What are you getting to Sonic? As I'm sitting here editing this video, I realize I lost audio. So for you guys out there, I shot 233, 300, 268 for an 801 with a 300 in the middle. This effector was unbelievable today, averaging just barely shy of 275. Me shooting an honor score here during the city tournament was a blast. I had a blast bowling with my friends, but it does not count as me shooting an honor score during my league challenge that we got going, where I'm filming every week until we shoot an honor score. So you're gonna have to stay tuned on those videos. I'll be dropping them probably every Monday or Tuesday after I bowl league on Thursday nights. So for you guys out there looking for those, you can catch me Monday or Tuesday. And until then, thanks for watching. I appreciate you following along. And until the next one, peace.